Hi friends, Kumud here and you are watching Kumudni's Home Garden. It is always a good idea to make cuttings of the perennial plants because the climate becomes so harsh sometimes that the plant, the original mother plant doesn't survive. Especially if it has passed a lot of time, if it was a winter plant like this begonia. I made cuttings in time, and I have made some videos also on begonia. If you want, you can go back and find out, or I'll put the link in my description box. So I made these begonia cuttings and planted them in time. So although my original plants which I bought from the nursery, they are quite healthy, but still I made because I wanted to experiment, and this was quite successful. In this empty pot I put three cuttings like this. It is easy. I have shown the process in that video, and I have put the link in the description box also, so you can go there and watch how I made the cuttings. So I had put about three cuttings, and since the pot was still empty, so I had put a lot of other succulent kind of plants, like this begonia is also a kind of succulent, and similar kind of succulents I had put in this pot. This is a mother of thousand plant, friends, a different variety altogether, and you see how the small babies are coming from the leaves only. This is wonderful. And this plant begonia, this is the white one, and I had made a cutting of this also, which is surviving quite well. And out of those three cuttings which I showed you just now, one has survived, and the other two, I think they are not seen here. That means they have not survived. Maybe because the pot became very crowded, and I didn't know that one caladium bulb was also there. And in this pot I had just thrown seeds randomly, just like that, and they have germinated, and this is a good surprise. These are coxcomb seeds. I had thrown them just like that. And these saplings belong to the Japanese lantern chili plant. That's an ornamental plant. Friends, there is a secret of successfully growing the seeds and making seedlings. I'll tell you that in my next video, so you must watch that. And these are basil seedlings, friends, and they are coming from my mint pot. So in the surrounding areas I had put the seeds, and lots of seedlings are there. So I am making lots of pots for these seedlings. These are my curd containers, and I have put very good quality soil, especially for the seedlings, because seedlings don't need that kind of soil which the bigger plants need. So for the seedlings you need very less fertilizers like compost and all. Very less compost will do for the seedlings. So my 6 pots are ready for the giving purpose, and these are left. These I am going to put in the in the ground. So in case I need some later on, I can take out from there. And this is custard apple plant which has come out on its own. So this feels very good when you see the seeds becoming seedlings here and there in the pots, on the ground, or where you had just thrown the seeds randomly. It is a good pleasure. And these are the Chinchi Rinchi bulbs. Now the Chinchi Rinchi flowering season is over. The leaves were also dried and dead, so that was the time to take out the bulbs. These are the babies of spider plants, friends. They have become big. This plant is Haworthia, and this is also giving its babies, you see. Every year, a plant or any plant will give its babies. So, Haworthia is a very precious plant to me because it was given by one of my friends, and this is also producing a lot of offsprings now. So, I'm happy. Now I have come on my terrace, friends. I had some work here, and there also I found so many small babies. And these are in the container of the plant apple custard. I'm growing apple custard plant in a very huge container, and these small babies are in the same container. This is also a baby plant, friend. This is adenium plant. I bought this was grafted earlier, but the graft has gone. And this one is mother of thousand, again a different variety altogether. The small babies are there. One is this and one is that, and lots of them on the foliage, friends. Ending the video with this beautiful flower, bleeding heart. And friends, this video was about the garden's babies, which keeps cropping up here and there. Hope you like that, and please subscribe the channel if you are coming for the first time. Happy gardening.